Today, I'm going to show you how to add a legal disclaimer to your HubSpot emails, specifically for one-to-one sales and CRM correspondence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to ensure every email you send from HubSpot is not only professional, but also protected by your required legal language, saving you time, effort, and potential headaches down the road. Let's jump right in. The easiest and most reliable way to add a disclaimer to your HubSpot emails is by including it in your email signature. This signature gets automatically attached to emails you send from sales, the CRM, your conversations inbox, and even within sequences. So you only have to set it up once, and HubSpot takes care of the rest for you. First, we need to get into the right place to make these changes. Start by clicking on the settings icon. It looks like a little gear, and you'll find it up in the top right corner of the navigation bar. This opens up all your HubSpot configuration options. If you haven't poked around settings before, don't worry, everything is nicely organized. Next, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with a menu. You want to click on General, then look for the Email tab. This is where all your email-related settings live. It's kind of like the control center for your email identity within HubSpot. Within the Email tab, find the Configure section and click on Manage Email Signatures. This is where you build what gets automatically appended to every email. Think of your signature as a digital ID badge. Every message you send automatically carries your personal touch, but also any important notices you want all recipients to see. Now comes the part where you actually add your disclaimer. In the signature editor, you'll find a simple text box. Most disclaimers can be added just as plain text, so you can type or paste yours right in and use the basic formatting tools like bold, italics, or font size to make the disclaimer stand out or to keep it subtle and unobtrusive, depending on your needs. If you want to get more creative, maybe you're after precise styling, want to include links, or you have a formatted disclaimer you've used elsewhere, click on the HTML tab instead. Here, you can paste your complete HTML signature, including the disclaimer, logos, contact info, or anything else you like a mistake. If you have specific legal requirements or branding standards, this feature is really useful. Don't forget to click Save when you're done. It's easy to overlook, especially if you get distracted customizing your signature, but clicking Save is what actually puts your changes into effect. From now on, every email you send out through HubSpot's sales tools will include your updated signature and the required disclaimer, whether it's a quick one-on-one message or part of a sequence. Depending on how many users are in your HubSpot account, and you may also want to guide your teammates through this same process, so everyone is consistent and compliant. And that's it. As you can see, adding a legal disclaimer to your HubSpot emails is simple, but it really helps your business stay protected and builds trust with your recipients. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or you want to see more HubSpot tips, drop a comment below. I read everyone, and I'm here to help. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.